Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a fun conversation about shopping during a trip. In this video, you will follow a simple and enjoyable story about two friends, Sam and Mina, as they explore shops, buy souvenirs, and enjoy local food. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. What does Sam want to buy to remember his trip? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Wow, this street is so nice. I really love the feeling of this place.
I know. There are so many shops here, and so many people too.
Look at all the colors. Everything looks so beautiful. I'm glad we came here.
Me too. I love this place. The weather is perfect today. Not too hot, not too cold.
Yeah, it's warm and sunny. A great day for walking around and looking at shops.
Sam, I want to buy some souvenirs today. I need to find gifts for my family.
Souvenirs? Good idea. Who do you want to buy them for?
I want to get something for my mom and my sister, and maybe something small for my friend too. Oh, and something for myself.
Haha, that's a lot of people. Me too, actually. I want to find something cool to remember this trip.
What kind of thing are you looking for?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe a t-shirt or a hat, something I can wear every day.
Oh, a t-shirt is a good idea. You can wear it and remember this trip every time.
Exactly. What about you? What do you want to get for yourself?
I want to find something small and cute, like a keychain or a mug, something nice for my desk.
Those are great gifts. Your family will love them.
I hope so. Let's look around and see what they have.
Sure. Let's start with that shop over there. It looks interesting. They have some clothes in the window.
Oh yes, let's check it out. Maybe you can find your t-shirt there.
Good thinking. Let's go.
Hello. Welcome to our shop. Can I help you find anything?
Hi. Yes, I'm looking for a t-shirt, something with a nice design. Do you have anything like that?
Of course. We have many t-shirts over here. Please follow me. We have many colors and many different designs.
Oh, these are nice. I like this blue one. The picture on it is really cool. How much is this?
That one is $25. It's one of our most popular items. Many visitors choose that one.
I understand. The colors are really nice. $25. Okay, that's not bad. Do you have this in medium?
Let me check for you. Yes, we do have medium. Here you go.
Thank you. The material feels nice and soft. Is this design only in this store?
Yes, it is. This design is original. A local artist made it for us. You can only get it here.
Oh, that's great. I really like that. That makes it even more special. Can I try this on?
Sure. the fitting room is right over there on the left side.
Great, thank you. I'll be right back.
Take your time, and please let me know if you need a different size or color. I can also show you other designs if you're interested.
That's very kind. Thank you so much. Okay, I will go try it on now.
Okay, I tried it on. How does it look? Be honest.
Oh, that looks really good on you. The color is great.
Really? You think so? It's not too big.
No, not at all. The size is just right, and the color matches your eyes.
Thanks, Mina. I think the size is good too. It's not too tight and not too loose. It feels comfortable.
Yeah, it fits you perfectly, and the design is unique. You won't see anyone else with the same one.
That's true, but I don't know. Should I buy it? $25 is okay, but I'm thinking,
What are you thinking about?
well, I already have a lot of t-shirts at home. I don't really need another one.
But this one is special. You can't get it anywhere else. It's original.
That's a good point. And the design is really nice. I do like it a lot.
And it will remind you of this trip every time you wear it. That's worth it, right?
When you say that, yes, it is. Okay, you're right. I'll take it. I'm going to buy it.
Good choice. I think you'll be very happy with it.
Yeah, I think so too. Let me go pay for it.
Sure. I'll wait here and look at the other shops outside.
Okay, I'll be quick. Then we can keep looking for your gifts.
Sounds good. Take your time. Oh, look at this shop, Sam. They have so many cute things in here.
Yeah, this place is really nice. There are many things to choose from. Where do you want to start?
I need to find something for my mom and my sister first.
Okay. What kind of things do they like? Tell me about them.
My mom likes flowers and pretty things. She always has flowers in the house. My sister likes useful things. She doesn't like things that just sit on a shelf.
Okay, I understand. How about this? Look at this small bag. It has a beautiful flower design on it. Your mom can use it every day.
Oh, this is so cute. I love the colors. My mom will love this.
And for your sister, how about this mug? It has the name of this town on it. She can use it for her morning coffee.
She drinks coffee every morning. She can't start her day without it. That's perfect for her.
See? It's a useful and fun gift at the same time.
You're really good at choosing presents, Sam.
Thanks. I just try to think about what the person likes. What about a keychain? You said you wanted one for yourself.
Oh, right. Let me look over here. Oh, this one is nice. It has a little cat on it. It's so cute.
That is really cute. It's perfect for a gift, or you can keep it for yourself.
I think I'll get two. One for me and one for my friend. She loves cats too. And my family will like the bag and the mug.
That sounds like a great plan. Everyone will be happy.
I hope so. Okay, let me go and pay for everything.
Sure. I'll keep looking around while you pay.
Hello. Welcome to our shop. What can I get for you today?
Hi, everything looks so good in here. I can't decide. What do you recommend?
Our most popular item is the chocolate cake. It's very rich and smooth. Many people love it.
Oh, that does look delicious. I love chocolate. And what is this one over here?
That's our special cookie. It's made with local honey from this area. It's very sweet and soft. People buy them as gifts, too.
That sounds wonderful. I want to try that. It sounds really special. Okay, I'll have one cookie, please, and one chocolate cake, too.
Great choice. Would you like anything to drink with that?
Yes, please. Do you have iced tea?
Yes, we do. We have small and large. Which would you like?
Small, please. That's enough for me.
Okay, so one cookie, one chocolate cake, and one small iced tea. Is this for here or to go?
For here, please. We want to sit down and relax for a little while. We've been walking all day.
Of course. Please take any seat you like. I'll bring your order to your table.
Thank you so much. Oh, how much is everything?
The cookie is $3, the cake is $5, and the iced tea is $2. So that's $10 in total.
Okay, here you go. $10. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yes, $10. That's just right. Please enjoy your food and have a great day.
Thank you. I'm sure we will. Everything looks so fresh and delicious.
This chocolate cake is so good. It's really rich.
Right? I'm so glad we stopped here. Here, try the cookie too. You have to taste it.
That's delicious. The honey makes it really special. I've never had a cookie like this before.
I know, right? I want to buy some more for my family before we leave this town.
That's a great idea. They make perfect gifts. So let's see what we bought today. Show me your souvenirs.
Okay, I got the small bag with flowers for my mom, the mug with the town name for my sister, and 2 cat keychains, one for me and one for my friend.
Those are all really nice. I think everyone will love their gifts. How much did you spend in total?
Let me think. The bag was $15, the mug was $8, and the keychains were $4 each. So that's about $31.
$31 for all of that? That's not bad at all. It was a really good deal.
Yeah, I think so too. I'm really happy with everything I got. What about you? Show me your t-shirt again. I want to see it one more time.
Sure, here it is. I really like the design. It was $25.
It's so cool. The blue color is beautiful. You made a really good choice.
Thanks, Mina. I'm really happy with it. This has been a really great day of shopping.
It really has been. The shops here are all so wonderful and different.
And the food is amazing, too. I could come back just for the cake.
You always think about food, don't you?
Hey, good food is an important part of every trip. You can't travel without trying the local food.
Okay, I agree with you on that.
Look, the sun is going down. It's getting a little cool now.
Yeah, but it feels nice. I love the evening sky here. The colors are so pretty.
Me too. It's a beautiful end to a beautiful day. Today was really fun, Mina.
It really was. We found so many good things today.
Yeah, I think the best part for me was finding that t-shirt. I didn't think I would find something so cool in such a small shop.
That's why shopping on trips is so special. You find things you didn't think you would find.
That's so true. What was your favorite part of today?
I'm really happy with the gifts for my family. I think my mom and sister will really like them. But honestly, the cookies were my favorite part. They were so good.
Oh yes, those cookies. We should definitely buy more of those tomorrow morning before we leave.
I was thinking exactly the same thing. We can buy a box and share them with our friends back home.
We had the same idea.
I really want to come back to this place someday. There's still so much to see, and so many shops we didn't visit.
Yeah, we didn't even go into half the shops. There were so many of them on that street.
Next time, we should spend a whole day just shopping, from morning to evening.
A whole day? That's a lot of shopping. My legs will hurt.
But it's so much fun, don't you think so?
Yeah, I really do. Today was great. Shopping is more fun when you do it with a friend. Let's go shopping again next time we travel somewhere new.
Definitely. I already can't wait for the next trip.
Me neither. But for now, let's go back to the hotel and rest. We walked a lot today, and I'm a little tired.
Yeah, me too. But it's a good kind of tired. You know what I mean?
I know exactly what you mean. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Thank you for a wonderful day, Sam. I had so much fun.
Thank you too, Mina. It was a really great day. I'm glad we did this together.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What does Sam want to buy to remember his trip? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with useful expressions you can use in real life. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.